Hello everyone, how are you? I'm your friend Anju Jindal, a career growth specialist, a trainer, and an entrepreneur. I believe in learning and sharing experiences. I am on the mission to help 10,000 people to accelerate their career with the help of career hack and communication skills. I would like to thank you all for the positive comments, feedbacks, which is just helping me to make a content which is useful for you. I am overwhelmed. Please make sure that you are doing it regularly. It really warms up my heart. You know, I have a series going on called Fearless Communicator Series in my VIP community, Career Growth Mastermind, which is for everyone who wants to accelerate their career. And this series is to share tips and ways by which we can become fearless communicators. So before I share my tip, I would request you to like the video, tag the people who needs these kind of videos, share this video so that it can reach to the people who are in need of these kind of contents. Now, today's tip number 13 is grow your vocabulary. Yes, grow your vocabulary to minimum one word each day. Now, what do we mean by vocabulary? When we talk, when we write, when we converse, we do all these with the help of words. And these words actually make my vocabulary. I have seen people that when they are talking or when they are writing, they are short of words. Or the word is at the backside of their mind, but it is not coming out of their mouth. This happens because the word is not so much in use in my regular life. If that happens, it makes us fearful, we are nervous, and we fumble. At the end, we are not becoming fearless communicators. So what should we do? We need to increase our vocabulary. We need to learn one word minimum each day. How can we learn these words? There are many ways. One is the traditional way of using the pre-made dictionaries like Oxford Dictionary and learning one word each day. But the better way is making your own dictionary. Yes, make your own dictionary with the words where you have faced problems. Now, what you need to do is take a notebook. On that notebook, write your name and dictionary. That means it is going to be Anju's dictionary, Raj's dictionary. So it is personalized dictionary. Once you do so, at the end of the day, just see wherever you have forgotten the word, fumbled because you did not knew the word, or you could have used a better word instead of the word which you used. Write all those words in that particular notebook. After writing the word, search the meaning of the words, and with the meaning, also search one similar kind of word and one opposite word regarding the word where you fumbled. When you are writing all this, also mention one real life example of the usage of that word. When you write a real life example, it is going to help you to remember the word more often. After writing all this, make sure you are discussing this word with at least 10 people in the next day. Because when we discuss, we tend to remember more about it. In this way, if you do minimum it with one word, at the end of the word, you are making sure that you are learning 30 new words. And it is actually enriching your vocabulary, enhancing your vocabulary, making you more confident, making you fearful, and when you will converse, you will get better at it. So, remember what you need to do. Either follow the traditional method of using a dictionary and learning each day one new word, but make sure that you are writing also. The second way is make your own dictionary by writing the words where you had problem in a day with the meaning in English itself and one similar word and one opposite word. Also mention example of real life regarding that particular word. Discuss the word with 10 minimum people. Discussing is really important to not to forget the words. Once you are doing so, I can assure you that your vocabulary is going to grow. And when your vocabulary grows, your communication gets better. You are enhancing your communication skills. At the end, you are becoming a fearless communicator. Make sure you are doing it. Do like the video, share the video, tag the people who needs these kind of content, help them be a part of my mission and help somebody to get growth in their life. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.